Similarly, in the fifth part, I have pentane 2-one and pentane 3-one. Now in pentane 2-one, again I have the COCH3 group, so it is a methyl ketone. So again, without thinking, I carry out the iodoform test. This CH3 will be replaced by ONA. So I am writing the rest of the chain as it is. I have C double bond O and ONA. Plus the other thing is a constant, which is a yellow precipitate. Now how you are going to name this compound? I can also write this compound starting from here. I have CH3, CH2, CH2, then I have COO and then Na. So it will be sodium, and how many carbon atoms this side? 4. So sodium butanoate. Fine. And this is your iodoform, which is a constant, a yellow PPT. This will not give iodoform test because it is not a methyl ketone. It does not have a COCH3 group. It does not have this. Okay. Now benzaldehyde and acetophenone. This is your acetophenone. Again, it is having a COCH3 group. So again, without thinking, I go for the iodoform test. The CH3 in the box is replaced by ONA, and the next compound is a constant. So this will be sodium benzoate once again, and this will not give the test. Fine, you will write the whole statement after both the parts. Now over here for benzaldehyde and acetophenone, I have used iodoform test. You can also use the Tollens test equation over here. In case of Tollens test, we know that Tollens test is only given by aldehydes, so it will be the opposite. Then you will write benzaldehyde will give the Tollens test while acetophenone will not give the Tollens test, and you will write the Tollens test equation for benzaldehyde, while for this there will be no equation for Tollens test. It's up to you. You only need to mention only one distinguishing test. I have mentioned iodoform over here. If you want, you can go for Tollens test also. Okay, now ethanol and propanol, both of them are aldehydes only, right? So we cannot distinguish them on the basis of Tollens test because Tollens test is given by all the aldehydes. If it is given by all the aldehydes, then ethanol and propanol both will give a positive iodoform positive Tollens test, and we won't be able to distinguish between both of them. So if I make the structure, what I notice is that in ethanol I have COCH3 group, right? So because of this COCH3 group, it can again undergo NaOI, iodoform test, sodium hypoiodide test. This will be replaced by ONA. So what do you get? C double bond O H O N A, and the other compound, which is a constant, CHI3, which is a yellow precipitate. Now this compound can also be written from this side. I write HCOONA, sodium, and there is only one carbon atom over here, so I will call it as sodium methanoate. Fine. This does not possess a COCH3 group, so it obviously will not undergo the iodoform test. You will write the complete statement.